If you are serious about growing on Twitter X in 2026, this tool might either save you hours every week or completely frustrate you depending on what you actually need. Today, we are reviewing Circleboom, one of the most talked about Twitter and X management tools online right now. And after researching the platform and reading real user feedback, I can honestly say this is one of the most feature-packed social media tools I've seen for X users. Circleboom started mainly as a Twitter management platform, but now it also supports other platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, and Google Business Profile. The main idea behind Circleboom is simple. It helps you manage, schedule, automate, and grow your social media accounts from one dashboard instead of manually doing everything yourself. One of the biggest features people use is the X scheduling tool, where you can create tweets, threads, and posts in advance and automatically publish them later. That alone is useful for creators, businesses, and anyone trying to stay consistent online. The platform also includes AI tools that can generate captions, tweets, and post ideas using AI, which is helpful if you run out of content ideas. Another popular feature is follower management. Circleboom can help you identify inactive followers, fake accounts, spam users, and people who do not follow you back. There are also tools for deleting old tweets, managing Twitter lists, finding hashtags, and even turning RSS feeds into automatic social media posts. For businesses and creators who post content daily, these automation features can save a huge amount of time. Based on user reviews, a lot of people like Circleboom because the interface is clean and easy to understand, especially compared to more complicated social media tools. Many users also say it works well for Twitter-focused workflows and content scheduling. Some reviewers even compare it to larger platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer, but at a lower price for certain plans. But to keep this review honest, there are also many complaints online, especially on Trustpilot and Reddit. A lot of negative reviews focus on billing issues, automatic renewals, cancellation problems, and pricing confusion. Some users also say certain Twitter automation features are less reliable now because X frequently changes its API and platform rules. Others feel that some tools are overpriced unless you are actively managing large accounts or posting very frequently. So this is definitely one of those tools where your experience may depend heavily on how much you actually use it. My honest opinion is that Circleboom can be very useful for creators, marketers, and businesses that live on Twitter X every day and need automation, scheduling, and account management tools in one place. But if you are just a casual user who tweets occasionally, the price and advanced features may feel unnecessary. I would strongly recommend testing the free version first before paying for a long subscription, especially because of the mixed billing reviews online. Overall, though, Circleboom is still one of the more powerful Twitter X management tools available in 2026 if you use its features properly. If you enjoyed this honest review and want more AI and social media tool breakdowns in 2026, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the next tool you want me to review.